Heidi here. Welcome to my first ever styling video. I wanted to challenge myself a little bit with trying some different styles that I don't normally wear, but still just using everything in my own wardrobe. The challenge with this is not buying anything new specifically for this video, which I don't do anyway. So I'm just using stuff out of my own wardrobe. If you watch any of my other lookbook videos, then you'll know what kind of style I normally go for. So it's normally a kind of industrial cyber kind of look. So this was a bit of a challenge for me to put together something I wouldn't normally wear. I like that it's quite open to interpretation, so everyone can make it their own style, which is what I'm kind of doing with this, I guess. I'm not quite sure yet how many outfits this video will have, because I like to do lookbooks with outfits that I actually wear for the day as an outfit, rather than just putting on loads of different things just to film it. That's just how I like to do it. So I think I'll get a few, at least 3 I think. I got all the clothes out that I think that would work for this kind of style, and I've got a fair few options, so I think I'll have a few for you. So I'll just go through this outfit first. Starting with jewellery around here. This collar I got at Whitby Goth Weekend 2017, I think, or 2016, one of those, and it was just from a stall. This necklace I actually found in a charity shop, and it's called a prayer box, but I'm not using it in a religious capacity, so if it was purely religious then I would not be wearing it, because I don't like to wear religious iconography. And this jumper I got from a charity shop. It didn't look like this when I first bought it, as is the case with most of my clothes. So it already had these rings down the side, but it was a turtleneck and it was much longer, and I cut open the turtleneck. I did try wearing it once as it was, but I didn't like it, so I modified it. I cropped it quite a bit because it was really fitted around the bottom, and every time I raised my arms it would ride up and stay there, which I found really annoying. This is how much I cut off the bottom, and of course I will be using this for other projects. So I just distressed it a bit around the bottom and at the top here, and now I love it. It's one of my favourite jumpers, and I'll definitely be getting loads more wear out of it now. Now this bracelet here, my dad actually bought me when he visited Cuba a number of years ago. Handmade beaded bracelet. And then this belt I found in a charity shop not that long ago. And skirt. This is actually one of the last fast fashion items I ever bought, I think about 4 years ago now. And this one I also modified quite a lot. Classic kind of fairy skirt. And these tights I found in a charity shop a while ago. And then my boots are by New Rock. I bought them off Depop, and then I added these boot straps onto them, which are also from a charity shop. I forgot to film a talk through of the other outfits, so we'll just have to do a voiceover. This leather trench coat I bought about 8 years ago now, I think, from a charity shop. It fits me much better now than when I first bought it. The skirt I made myself out of fabric that I bought new. Underneath I'm wearing a lip service dress that I bought from Depop. The leggings are ones my mum gave me. She bought them for herself but didn't end up wearing them, so gave them to me instead. These boots are also by New Rock. My mum bought me these for my 18th birthday from the official website. I've had them almost 5 years now, and they're still in excellent condition. The collar is one that I made out of webbing and 3 mini plastic buckles. The spiderweb chain harness was sent to me by a small business. I did an unboxing of the things that they sent me. I will link it below if you're interested. I think it really brings the outfit together and gives it more of a fairy feel. The arm warmers I DIY'd from cutting the sleeves off of a velvet dress and then flipping them around so the cuff is around my upper arm to keep them up. The hair ribbons were a decoration that I took off a lavender candle. I wanted to do purple makeup with this and felt the need for a bit more purple elsewhere in the outfit, so this was a perfect fit. Here's a quick close-up so you can properly see all the details. And here is the final outfit for this video. This came out as more of a cyber fairy outfit, which is not surprising, to be honest. The dress is by Spank London and I found it on Depop. The corset top is real leather and I found that in a charity shop quite a few years ago. Pointy hoods always make me think of fairies and elves, so this was a perfect dress for this look. The thigh highs are vintage. They were my mum's. I think she got them sometime in the 80s but never really wore them, but still held on to them and then ended up giving them to me. I bought the spiked collar off Etsy. I will link the shop below. And the necklace I made from a little coin trinket thing a friend gave me. I just made a hole in it so I could put it on a string. I wanted to add some colour into my hair again, so I just tied in these small elastic bands. The belt is from Creations by Maggie. I will link shop below. The boots are the same ones from the first outfit. I really love how my eyeshadow came out with this outfit. I usually just try different makeup every day, but this one I think I'll be doing again. If you'd like to see more styling challenge videos like this, let me know. I had a lot of fun with this one, and I'll definitely do another video of fairy-inspired outfits. I love finding new style inspiration to give you a new approach on how to put outfits together. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!